आज हम पढ़ेंगे वर्ड्स फॉलोड बाय एप्रोप्रिएट प्रीपोजिशंस। मेरा नाम है रेनू तलरेजा। आइए शुरू करते हैं। कुछ वर्ड्स के साथ उसका सही अर्थ निकालने के लिए विशेष प्रीपोजिशंस प्रयोग किए जाते हैं। यदि प्रीपोजिशंस को बदला जाए तो या तो अर्थ ही नहीं निकलता या अर्थ बदल जाता है। यदि आपको प्रीपोजिशंस की अधिक जानकारी नहीं है तो मेरे प्रीपोजिशंस वाले वीडियो का लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा। Now first is abide by. Abide by a promise or a decision means to stick to it. हिंदी में का पालन करना। जैसे once you have made a promise, you ought to abide by it. Next is abstain from means to keep away from or to avoid, especially strong drinks means से बचना. The doctor advised the patient to abstain from liquor. Accompanied with, तो accompanied with something, है ना। जैसे rain was accompanied by with a hailstorm, यानी साथ साथ में, accompanied with साथ साथ में, या किसी के साथ। तो rain was accompanied by with a hailstorm. Now accompanied by, तो accompanied by का मतलब a person accompanied with something but accompanied by a person, यानी द्वारा साथ. The principal was accompanied by the entire staff. Next is acquit of means to free from, यानी का बरी करना, है ना। There was no evidence against him, so he was acquitted of the charge of theft. Next, add to means to increase, जोड़ो या बढ़ाना, मतलब जोड़ना या बढ़ाना. If you give up your job at this time, it will add to your problems. Next is addicted to means to be strongly inclined to something bad, means lat lagna. Those who are addicted to hard drinks lose their health fast. Next is appoint a person to a post means नियुक्त करना. Mr. Verma was appointed to the post of principal. Next, approve of. Approve of का मतलब होता है सहमत होना. Everybody approved of my plan to join this school. Now, ask for. Ask for का मतलब होता है के लिए पूछना. Go to the 7th floor and ask for Mr. Sharma. Means ask for means यानी go to the 7th floor and ask for Mr. Sharma, यानी मिस्टर शर्मा के जाकर पूछो. महत्वाकांक्षा करना, that is aspire to या aspire after, है ना. aspire after in English to have an ambition for means महत्वाकांक्षा करना. Even as a child, I aspired to or I aspired after becoming a teacher. Now award to. Award to का मीन्स होता है को पुरस्कार, है ना. A prize was awarded to him for having won the debate competition. Now banish from. Banish from का मतलब होता है to expel means से निर्वासित. Those who had plotted some robbery were banished from the college. Now, next is beware of, means to be aware about, का सावधान रहना. हाँ. Beware of the flatterers and the backbiters. Next is capable of. Capable of means योग्य होना, के योग्य होना. If these sportswomen are guided properly, they are capable of giving a much better performance. Now next is cling to, means to stick to, को चिपटना किसी. As long as you do not get a better job, you should cling to the one you are holding now. साथ में मेल खाना या साथ में रहना, इसका होता है coincide with, means to accord with. On this issue, his views do not coincide with mine. Next is commence on. Commence on means to begin on, शुरू होना. Our annual examination commences on 15th March. Compare with. Compare with means use with things. Compare with, use with things belonging to the same class. यानी तुलना करना किसके साथ में, एक स्तर के लोगों के साथ. जैसे कंपेयर अकबर विद अशोक. बट कंपेयर टू मीन्स तुलना, लेकिन असमान वस्तुओं की. यूज फॉर डिसिमिलर थिंग्स. लाइफ में बी कंपेयर टू अ ड्रीम. नेक्स्ट इज compete with a person for something. 20 candidates competed with another for the first prize. यानी compete with मतलब के साथ प्रतिस्पर्धा करना. किसी के साथ प्रतिस्पर्धा एक इंसान पर्सन के साथ भी कर सकते हैं, किसी चीज के साथ भी. So 20 candidates competed with one another for the first prize. Thank you.